Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. The wall of secrecy regarding the jury instructions continues in Idaho versus Koberger. If you will note, the October 9th, 2024 pretrial and trial order under Section D as in David, trial materials never required the filing of the jury instructions to be filed under seal. However, both sides have filed their proposed jury instructions under seal, and Judge Stephen J. Hippler has granted all motions to seal jury instructions. There's another motion to seal a jury instruction that has now been filed under seal. There are two documents that I'd like to bring to your attention regarding the same. The first is the May 28th, 2025 state motion to seal state's proposed supplemental jury instruction. It says here, comes now the state of Idaho by and through the Latah County prosecuting attorney, and hereby moves the court pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32G1 and Idaho Code 74124B for an order sealing the state's proposed supplemental jury instruction based on the fact that the defendant's filings have been submitted under seal. The state leaves the ultimate determination to the court's discretion. Respectfully submitted this 28th day of May, 2025, William W. Thompson, Jr., prosecuting attorney. First, ladies and gentlemen, Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32GI and Idaho Code 74124 both authorize, under certain circumstances, a court to seal an item that would ordinarily be required to be on the public docket for public disclosure to be sealed under certain circumstances. Secondly, what Mr. Thompson does not point out here is that while it's true that the defense's proposed jury instructions have all been filed under seal, so has the state's. That's a fact that the state has also moved for and had orders entered to have their jury instructions also filed under seal. The second document that's related to this motion is the order granting this relief. If you look at the docket on the 30th of May, 2025, you will see a newly released item. It is entitled Order Sealing State's Proposed Supplemental Jury Instruction. It says here, based upon the state's motion to seal state's proposed supplemental jury instruction filed, the court does hereby confirm an order that it is exempt from disclosure and sealed pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32G1 and I for the reasons stated in the motion. So ordered, May 29th, 2025, Stephen J. Hippler, District Judge. So interestingly, although the state offered up the statute as well as the rule as legal grounds allowing Judge Hippler to seal this proposed supplemental jury instruction, the statute is not identified here as a second legal grounds for filing this yet another jury instruction from the public. We have done previous content regarding the prior motions to seal jury instructions and orders thereto on the Indie Zone podcast. You can use your search engine if you'd like to look at the prior content to learn that this is a continuing theme, and again, to bring to your attention that the court never ordered that the parties file jury instructions under seal. So this continues to be a mysterious issue, at least in my opinion, as to why every single jury instruction are sealed from public disclosure. Thank you for joining us today.